result, so long as we see Afghanistan now being militarized, we have to keep the heat on the president, the #1 organizer of this country. Thank you, all my relations. Oh. I'd like to sing a song in a classical language of the Lakota people. I'll sing it as best I can. But this song and in this language has been the language throughout the Americas for countless years. And this song is called Grandfather, Great Spirit, have pity on me. I want to live. Grandfather, have pity on my people. We want to live.
Alabama, Birmingham, police state.
Thank you, all my relations.
Back.
I'm very happy to introduce.
Right now behind the stage, I know you can't see this, but I want to share this with you right now, because what's going on right now is the police are trying to arrest a small child. A small child